Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you where to stake Gala and some of the best options that you can choose to stake your Gala coins. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar, you will have to type coinado.com. Once done, you will be landed on this page where in the search bar, you will have to search for Gala, and then you will have to select Gala token. Once done, it will redirect you on the next page where you are going to see a bunch of different exchanges and the APY that they are providing. As you can see over here that on Rehold, you can get up to 118% if you stake Gala on their platform. Similarly, on Hubi Global, if you stake Gala, then you can get up to 100% APY. So over here, you just have to select the option that best suits you, basically the exchange that is giving you best APY. As you can see over here that we have OKX, which is giving you only 1% APY on Gala, and Binance as well, which is giving you 0.14%. So among these given options, in my opinion, Rehold is the best investment for you, and after Rehold you can stake your Gala on APY. Here you need to make sure that the Gala that you are staking is on flexible. It simply means that you can stake them and you can get them back anytime. So this is how you can easily stake Gala on exchanges. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.